How are we doing, guys? Got a Kepsim Portable Power Station we're going to unbox today. Check out. There's a pretty simple manual here on the how-tos. Into the box. This piece comes out. The accessories, the charger here. You have the option of plugging into the wall directly or your cigarette charger. This thing is heavy. I think the box on the box, it weighs about 7 pounds, almost 8 pounds. Get this out of the plastic. It is not shrink wrapped, but it is a tight fit for sure. Charger's on the way. It's almost like an ammunition case. It's kind of what it feels like. It's got a nice handle. The play is very nice on this. Now let's see what we have here. That's probably the light. We'll turn on the power first. And a guess. Looks like it comes pre-charged at 48%, if you can see that accurately. This is likely telling you how many watts you're using. I'm not sure what this countdown is yet, but press and hold that. There's your exterior light. Probably good enough if you're at a campsite or something like that, or in a quick need. Be good to have this in your car. Take on trips. Probably a speaker right here, if I had to guess. And if you can use that as a cigarette lighter as well. Extra AC outlet here. DC out. Probably plug that in there to get it out. We've got a couple of USB slots already up here on the top side. See the USB charge there and the USB-C option there as well. And this spot on the top is for your wireless charging. It looks like it outputs 15 watts. I'm going to try and zoom in for you there so you can see that. There you have it. I'm gonna see if we can't plug something up right quick. Go. Got an old Kindle here. See how it's working. I don't see anything moving off of the LCD here just yet. The battery capacity on this is 80,000. Uses a lithium-ion battery. finally got my thing to pop up. I just want to see. Oh, I see. In order, you need to press this button here to activate the charge. Well, I can zoom in enough there to already have a pretty decent charge on it, but it is charging now. I can see that. Plug and it stops. Pull it back in. And we're charging. So as I turn on this feature here, the charge, it's telling you how much battery, I guess, or how much time it's got left. 26 minutes, or maybe that's 20. That's probably silly me. 26 hours, 41 minutes, and as I predicted, telling you how much your wattage you're using. Let's see if we can maybe not blind you while doing that. Didn't change that too much. I know you can do several devices at one time. I can't remember if it's 5 or 7. Certainly enough for the whole family. Again, great for a camping trip to keep as a spare for your car. Just to have a battery source that you never know when you might need it. I will put a link in my description to check this out if you're interested on Amazon. I think it was about $200 and something with some coupons, and hope this video helps. Have a great day.